TUSAS will produce KAAN'S ejecting seat. In 2028, 20 KAAN'S will be delivered to the Turkish Air Force. TAI General Manager Timel Kodal said, "Keeping Turkey's smartest people together for 5 years is not easy. There are 1,500 engineers at Kansas. We started with 60 engineers. These are the difficulties actually. KAAN'S one engine and pilot ejection were from abroad, the rest were local and national. So TAI will also produce the ejection seat as a national company. 100% local. We have been working for KAAN'S national engine for 2 years. We will install it on Kaan in 2028. We started to produce 2 more Kaan models. Our plane is capable of flying, but we are being meticulous due to some tests. We will deliver 20 Kaan units in 2028. In 2029, we will start producing 2 units per month. Kaan will be Europe's best and earliest delivered warplane. TAI will start exporting ANKA-3 after 2 years. TAI will produce 2 Herjets in 2 years for the inventory of the Turkish Air Force, and after 2 years, it will produce 2 aircraft for the Air Force every month. This is just a small portion of news coming from Turkish technologically advanced weapons. In the future, we will it more often, so you subscribe to the channel and get more info.